Hello, happy writers. This is your friendly instructor, Amanda Criswell, and I just want to walk through the Module 1 quiz along with the Academic Writer Tutorial Basics of the 7th edition APA style assignment that you have. So I'm in your Canvas course right now, and I'm under Modules, and the Module 1 in the section that's the Academic Writer Tutorial, and you'll see here it has a link that will take you to the APA website where you can find the tutorial. So if you click on the link, it's going to take you over here. And you'll see here I am in the Academic Writer Tutorial Basics of the 7th edition. The way the tutorial works is if you click on Start Learning, then you're going to literally start your learning with an overview. You can see the little menu over here. You just scroll down and you read all of the information. You keep going, and as you get to these sections, sometimes it'll have little plus signs. You'll notice that you click on the plus sign and it'll give you some additional information. Notice as I do this, there is a status bar over here that tells me how much of this tutorial I have completed. Once I've completed all of the tutorial, it will get to 100%. So I can make it go up here, I think. But once I've completed it all and this number says 100%, I want you to go to your Word documents and create a Word document that says, I have completed the Academic Tutorial Basics of the 7th edition, APA style, and then put your name there. Then you're going to also overlay a photo of this 100% complete down here. This should read 100% complete when you're done. And you're ready to do a screenshot. So there's two ways you can do this. You can actually get your phone out and take a photo of your screen that has all of this information on it. Or you could get your snipping tool, which is what I'm going to use, and that's just something that's on your computer or your desktop probably already that'll allow you to do a screenshot of your computer. So I can go over here to my snipping tool and tell it I want to take a new picture. And then I can highlight the area that I want to take a photo of. And then here you'll see I have a photo now that says it's an attestation. It says I have completed it. It has my name, and then it has the photo of the website along with the 100% complete on it. Now this one just says 5 because I just was showing you, but you need to make sure it says 100% complete. You're going to save that document, and that is what you will submit in your Canvas course. Go back over there for the Module 1 quiz. This is where you're going to go in and just submit it in this section here. I hope that clarifies everything. If you have any questions, please let me know.